bright out here. I can't wait to get inside.
Yeah,
oh my
it's
gosh.
very hot.
We're here at the Bowl America. My eyes are watering from the heat.
Your special's ready.
I did my special though.
He probably pushed
This
it
is a lot
forward.
different than the actual game, huh?
Yeah,
Wait, take card.
Right here, Jack.
Let me see it.
And I got dark side. Jackson got dark side, and I got green arrow.
Show them up to the camera. Dude, those are sick.
Yeah, those are nice.
Here, you have to hold it while me and mommy fight.
Okay, I'm 100% gonna do that. I still a soul enemy.
No!
Oh my god, you got Oh my god.
She's blocking it. Oh.
Dang, you're huge!
Oh, wait, what is going on?
Let's go! No, you got a hoop ball. Wait, I don't know.
No! My arm is hurting so bad.
No.
Let's go.
Oh, God. My arm is hurting so bad.
Dude.
A lost card.
I got Harley Quinn.
Oh, I got Aries. Oh, snap. That's so fitting.
That's cool.
Daddy, we both got boss cards.
Nice.
How did they know I was a girl?
Oh, there we go.
9,000 damage you just did, bro? No.
Oh, no.
He's got the best in the game. I got Insurgency Lex Luthor. Dude, I'll take that.
I'll take that. Oh, you got John Stewart Green Lantern.
This is the strongest. Let's start. Boom. And now scan.
All right, he got Darkseid.
And then now I think we can Lex Luthor.
And then
And
Ares.
Then now Ares. Where's Ares? He's in there. He's in there.
Wow.
That's sick, dude. That's sick.
Bosses.
Here, y'all can fight again. I don't really care.
Wait,
I'll hold him.
overpowered people.
Whoops. Good luck. Oh, wait,
He
what?
does 10,000 damage. He does my whole health bar.
Insta killed you.
I got Doomsday. I got Superman and then Doomsday.
No
Oh,
way.
Jack got 3-star.
Dude.
I got 3-star.
All right, show the camera. I gotta see
Nice.
this. That is the ultimate. That's awesome.
Superman and Doomsday. That was totally worth it.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh my gosh, yes, yes.
Are you kidding me? Mom.
Let's do this.
Oh! Oh yeah! Good job.
Let's go.
I thought that was gonna be shy.
We need to use your name as.
Oh my god.
Use your
Yes.
face as the new Pog emote.
Oh.
Oh, that's a straight one. That's a straight one. Oh, it twisted at the end.
Oh, yes.
It's so weird
Good
how it was
job.
straight, and it was like, never mind.
What are you whispering to the ball? Tell us your secrets.
He's whispering. I saw mouse moving.
Oh.
You're a bull whisperer. Gutter ball. Oh, strike.
Let's go, Jess! Let's go! Let's go! You're my hero. I mean Shiro.
Yes. Nice control, Nate. Yes. Good job.
He was going for the gutter and he said, don't be gutter, don't be gutter. Jackson, if he has a ball.
Oh, he gave some love to it.
He hit it head on. Oh my god.
The ultimate split, dude.
So that was super fun, guys. It was really awesome. We went to Bowl America, which is right down the street. They have an awesome program for kids in the summertime when they have nothing to do. So parents, listen up. You have 2 free games per kid, 1 free game per child. You get the Blast Pass, you sign up for it, you use your email, you don't have to put a credit card in or anything. They have your information, send it to your email, you get a little scan code. Both of your kids or all your kids, you have 4, 5, 2, 1 kid, they all bowl 2 games for free. You bowl 1 game for free. And then you just have to pay for the bowling shoes, and if you want to do another game with them. It's perfect and it's awesome and it's so fun, and they have an arcade and they have snacks. It's awesome. So we had a fun time, and I'm just letting you know, just for the future, if you guys want to join and go to Bowl America, awesome.
Yes. No paid promotion included.